Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do this makeup look for you. This one was worn by Aishwarya Rai in this year's Cannes and she was looking so pretty. I was so mesmerized by her eyes. The sequins looked so gorgeous that I couldn't wait to do this look. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. So I'm starting with my Loreal Base Magique primer. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. For foundation, I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Now I'm going in with this Colorbar Full Cover Concealer. Now I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer under my eyes to highlight that area. Now I'm going to take my Bharat and Dorris Loose Powder and I'm going to bake my under eyes and set my face. Now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going to use this Maybelline The Nudes palette and I'm going to use this shade right here. For my eyes, I'm taking this warm brown shade and I'm going to put it in the crease of my eyes. Now I'm taking this beautiful gold color and I'm going to put it on my eyelids. Now I'm going to take the same warm brown shade and put it on my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline The Colossal liner in the shade black and I'm going to use this to draw a wing on my upper lash line. So I do notice that the wing is not that sharp, it's kind of a little bit curved, so I'm going to try and create it. I have to fix this and I'll be back. Now I'm going to take this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black and I'm going to tight line my eyes. And now for the fun part, Aishwarya has got really beautiful sequined eyes on her liner. So I tried to search those sequins in many makeup beauty stores, but I couldn't find those. So I got my hands on these. So I got these from Star Mark and they are so pretty and so beautiful. They are clearly not meant for your eyes, but I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh guys, look how pretty are these. So guys, I just realized that before I go with the sequins, I have to apply false lashes. So I'm already wearing false lashes and now I'm going in with the sequins. So I'm going to go in with this one first. These are so pretty. These are blue. These are just kind of sticking to my fingers just like that. I'm going to try and check if these stick to my eyes as well. Oh yeah, they totally are. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So hers kind of starts from the middle of the eyes and ends right here just before the wing. So I'm going to do the same. Now I'm going to take these purple sequins and I'm going to put it in random places on my eyelids. I'm so actually surprised that they're sticking without any glue, probably because some of the glue was already there while I was applying my eyelashes. Did you hear about that Loreal thing? I'm sure you must have. So this eye is done and it is looking so good. I just can't stop staring at it. So I'm gonna finish off the other eye and I'm gonna be back. By the way guys, we have crossed 200 subscribers and I'm so happy, so thankful, so grateful for each and every one of you, and you guys make my day. And as promised, a challenge video is coming on your way, so stay tuned for that. About the challenge video, I previously said that once we get to every 100 subscribers, like 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on, I'm going to do a challenge video. So it's not that I'm not going to do any other challenge video any other time. I am going to do it, but this one's going to be special. Now I'm going to use my Body Shop bronzer. So I was talking about Laurel and Yanni. So it's like a new thing, a new sensation on the internet, and everybody's listening to that. So I thought of, why not I listen to that too. So it's like a guy says a word and some hear Laurel and the others hear Yanni. So the first time I heard it, I could clearly hear Laurel, and the second time I heard it, I could hear both, actually Laurel and then Yanni. It was so strange. Now I'm going to use Maybelline The Master Contour Palette and use the contour shade. Do write it down in the comment section below what you hear. Is it Laurel or Yanni? I'm curious. So next, the blush I'm using is from Maybelline Color Show Blush and it is in the shade Fresh Coral. The highlighter I'm going to use is from Makeup Revolution. It is the Pro Illuminate. I'm going to use the same golden shade that I put on my lids, under my brow bone and in the inner corners of my eyes. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner from Miss Claire. Now I'm going to use this lipstick. It's from Rimmel London and it is in the shade Tantrum. Now on top of this, I'm going to use this Colorbar Take Me As I Am lip color. It is in the shade Sensuous Red. So guys, I am by no means encouraging any one of you to use these craft things on your eyes. It's just me. I was so looking forward to do this look, and I couldn't find these sequins anywhere in the beauty store, so I just got my hands on these. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, then please give me a like, share this video, and comment on this video if you're willing to try this look. Also subscribe to my channel. I post videos thrice a week, and whenever you click on the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon beside it. Do not forget to watch my other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.